Hey friends, this is Haider from Bitvero Digital Marketing Company, and today we will discuss about website hosting. If you are planning to change your website host, what if you would like to migrate your website from one host to another? So it is very simple. One way is just to open Google and tell Google to show you the best hostings around you, and then sign up with one host, and you are done. Tell that host, and they will migrate your website. Well, better than said than done. This is not that easy. Once we goes down, typically we understand what exactly the questions will be going to pop up in our mind, and these questions are related to the emails, to the website hosting, to the downtime, and and to and to the website and to the website on its own. So the questions are, will my website go down for some time? What happened to the emails? Will my mails go down? Who will be going to assist me while migrating emails and the website both? So these are typical questions which pops up your mind, and if you would like to answer these questions, then you really need to spend some time on these things, on these technical questions, as these questions are all technical. So you should acquire some technical knowledge about these questions, because email migration is again technical thing, website migration is again technical thing, downtime, you need to know what is downtime, the time which, if your website goes down while migration, that's it. So how these processes are done, so either you can understand these processes by actually googling them, these things, or on the other way around, you can take help from a website design company or website consultant who can really help you doing that. Now friends, we need to examine first what is exactly going on with your existing website. Is it going down frequently? Is the website, are you facing any hacking issues with the website? Is your website slow? Or what are these reasons? Why are you not satisfied with the support process of your existing host? Why are these, what are exactly these reasons you would like to switch over from one host to another host? And if you think yes, these are the reasons, then what I suggest is that you should stop now, because for these reasons you should not change your website host. So what exactly, why you cannot change on your website host? Based on these reasons, because if your website is slow, that may not be due to the host, that may be due to your website is outdated, the plugins are not updated, CMS is not updated, the content, the website functionality is outdated. So these are the things with which website can run slow. So that is the reason. And if you are about to change your host, the same site will work slow over there. So that is the reason you should ponder over your website first. So first iron out the issues in your existing digital assets, then only consider. So these are the issues, and once you think that you have identified these issues and you have already fixed these issues, and still you are facing the problem of website, slow website, then what exactly you need to do is you need to discuss with a professional website design company. They will analyze your website and they will going to tell you what is wrong with the existing website, why it is slow, why it is not opening properly, your customers are facing problems while opening the website. So they will be going to analyze and check what exactly is the problem, and during that optimization process, during that analyzation process, they may suggest you that your website is not in the region where your audience is. For example, if your audience is in India and your website is hosted in US region or Europe region, that might be one such reason that your website is opening slow, because it needs hops, to one hop, to second hop, to three hops, to five hops, to change regions and to change servers, and then your website will open. So it is always advisable to host the website in the same region where exactly your audience is. So in that case, you can change the reason. In that case, might be one of the reason you can change host. So that should be determined either by yourself or by your website consultant. So that's one major thing you would like to when you want to change the website host. And the other major point is the website support. If you are not happy with the existing website support, that might be one of the reason you should consider changing your website host. So these are the two main proper reasons. For every other reason, please do not change your website host, because every other reason is manageable except these two reasons. If they are not manageable, talk to your existing host if they can change the region. If they cannot able to change the region of where your audience is, then change the host. That's what exactly your web development company or your website consultant will be going to suggest you. The conclusion is that take informed decisions, do not ponder over ignored decisions, do not act upon ignored decisions, and you should better discuss with the website development company before doing all that. That will always help you. Thank you very much for watching the video.